Hello everyone, go to files and import structures. Type here Fe₂ and you will see the ferrite structure here. Import. Now you have imported your structure here. Go to display style and choose ball and stick to visualize it better. Change the radius. This is the ferrite structure, but this is a very big structure. Have lot of atoms. Go to symmetry and go to primitive cell. So this is now a very small unit cell, only 10 atoms in it. So Fe₄O₃, so this is Fe₂O₃. Go to label, element symbol, apply. So the red one is oxygen and the other one is iron atom. So now go to CASTEP calculation. Go to geometry optimization is our first task. For this purpose, I am going to do express. Go here full. No need to change any other things. Just type here 250, maximum number of iterations. Use this collinear and check all other boxes GGA, PBE and check all these boxes. Go to electronics, no need to change anything here. Go to more, use custom energy cutoff 500. Go to SCF. The best charge and spin combination is 0.2 and 0.9 for ferrite structure. No need to change any other thing. Here type 500. K points, as I'm using express, so I'm going to do it 111 K point. No need to check any property here right now because we are only doing geometry optimization. Here I'm going to use 4 cores. Here type 1 and click run. It's going to take few seconds to complete the optimization. Okay, it is completed now. Go to conversion. So here you can see it is below its threshold point. It's converge. This is CASTEP file. So here it shows the spin polarization and initial magnetic moment of every atom. For iron it's 5.0. Go to the bottom and see other properties as well, like spin, its field charge for all the atoms, and these are some other properties as well. So now open the structure again. Here now choose energy. No need to change any other thing. Now choose band structure and neutral state. You can choose all other properties as well. So run. Again, it will take a few seconds to complete. It is completed now. Click OK. Open the structure. This is the convergence graph. Open the structure. Go to CASTEP and analysis. Open the band structure. So the red lines are spin down and the blue lines are spin up. You can zoom and clearly see the lines are crossing the Fermi level, so the material is conductive and it does not have any band gap. Open up the structure again and now choose neutral state, alpha and beta separate. View. So now here you can see there is a clear difference between spin up and spin down. More the difference between spin up and spin down graph means there is a huge difference in magnetic properties. So these peaks are like this, very clear difference. So it means this ferrite have a very good magnetic nature. Thank you guys. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for new tutorials. Thank you.